Yeah, remember when I said I hate driving in the rain? It's been raining all day, and I just decided that I needed to go head on and just conquer this fear of driving this RV in the rain and just learn how to deal with it. And that's exactly what I'm doing. The traffic and kind of died down, and but you know, it's picking up here and there. But yeah, it's first of driving. It's been about 3 hours, so I've been doing pretty good. So, you know, not going too fast, going just slow. Okay, let me put this down and whatever. See you soon. Bye. So yeah, I stopped. It's 7:30 p.m. and I'm at a Cracker Barrel parking lot. I am in Lexington, Kentucky. Right? Yeah, I'm in Lexington, Kentucky. And the rain has stopped. Well, it's still raining a little bit, but not, it was raining bad. But of course it has stopped when I stop, right? So, hey, you know, it is what it is. So, good night. Later, maybe I might come back on. I don't know. Let me walk a little bit and stretch my legs and get some substance, and you know, we'll see. All right, laters.